Want to make your Android TV a big clock? This video is for you. If your TV is just doing nothing, you can turn it into a big, clear, and customizable clock. I'll show you how to do it, so let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android TV.
Go to search bar and search date and time for TV.
Install app and open.
You can customize the clock by pressing these buttons on your TV remote.
Now your TV looks like a big clock. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.